If you have ever used this type of tiny nail, you know how hard it is to work with. I had searched on YouTube and I realized this is a common issue. So I decided to make a 3D printed tool that helps you to grab the nails. I used Fusion 360 to design the tool. And I also made 11 different designs for the most common nails in a market. You can find the STL file in the description. The print took nearly 2 hours to finish. Okay. Let's test it. It is so much better now. You can impact nails easily without damaging your finger. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget subscribe for more videos.